Welcome again, my dear students, and in this video we are going to complete our text about octopus. After you have taken an idea about this incredible creature, now you are going to read this text. As you notice here, read the following passage that reveals some interesting facts about the octopus and its way of defense. Of course, as we noticed in the previous video, that octopus has not only one way of defense, it has different ways of defense, and the title is Magician of the Sea. In the paragraph 1, they tell us about octopus, that it has 3 hearts, 8 arms, and 1 huge brain. Okay? In paragraph 2, octopus are extremely intelligent. It means that they are very smart. They can learn new things just like humans. They've even learned a few tricks to get them out of a sticky situation. Sticky situation, it means that if they feel danger, okay? If an octopus is threatened by a predator, by any enemy, such as a shark or bird, it can use some pretty incredible skills to get away. Get away, it means to run away, to escape. Octopus don't have teeth or sharp claws to defend themselves. Instead, they use more clever ways to fool their attackers. Fool, it means to trick, okay? Octopuses like to hide themselves in the sand on the bottom of the ocean floor. How, you ask? Well, the octopus is like a chameleon because it can change color of its skin to match sand, and this color change or camouflage happens in less than a minute. So here the first way of defense that the writer talks about is what is camouflage, okay? Some octopuses like to stay in more shallow water where there are rocks and coral because octopuses are invertebrates. What's the meaning of invertebrates? It means they don't have backbones. They can squeeze themselves into small spaces between the rocks to get out of reach of their predators. So the second way of defense that octopus has is what? Squeezing themselves into or between the rocks, as we noticed in the previous video. Another way an octopus can hide is by shooting ink. An octopus uses a part of its body called a siphon to shoot ink into the water. The ink forms a cloud that hides the octopus. By the time the ink clears and the predator can see again, the octopus has swum away or hidden. It's very much like a magician doing a vanishing act. Okay, paragraph 2. If you think that's a neat trick, then you will love what else these creatures have up their sleeves. Let's see what are the other ways of defense that this octopus have. If an octopus is being attacked, it can actually make itself look like a venomous sea snake. It will bury itself in the sand, keeping 2 arms visible only. It bury itself, it puts its body in the sand, only 2 arms are visible. Okay, 2 arms can be seen by the others. It will change the color of those arms to match a sea snake. But what if there is no time to hide? What's going to happen? If an octopus is in trouble, it can break off one of its arm. Amazing, yes, it can break one of its arm. The arm will then change colors and squirms around in the water to distract the predator while the octopus swims away to safety. Don't worry though, the octopus arm will grow back again. Paragraph 5. There is one kind of octopus that has venom to use in defense. The blue-ringed octopus is tiny. It could fit in the palm of your hand. It's so tiny. The palm of your hand, it's the shape of your hand, okay? Predators might think this size makes the octopus a great snack, but they know to stay away. The blue-ringed octopus is very poisonous and can kill predators much larger than itself. Here the question, answer the following questions using your own words. Complete the graphic organizer. I need 4 ways of defense for the octopus. Okay, of course, we have them from where? From the text. 2. Based on paragraph 2, how are an octopus and a chameleon alike? How octopus and chameleon are similar. 3. Explain how shooting ink helps an octopus to escape from predators. When octopus shoots ink, how can that helps him to run away from the enemy? How? 4. What happens to an octopus if it loses one of its 8 arms? For example, does it die? Of course, you should check the text. Okay? Part 5, what is the author's purpose for writing this article? And why does the writer write this text? A. To explain how octopus eat, live, and play. Or B. To show how dangerous octopuses are. Or C. To describe the physical. Already I solved it for you. It's to explain how octopuses protect themselves. Okay? B. Pick words from the text that almost have the following meaning. Very large from paragraph 1. You should give me the word from paragraph 1 that means very large. The ability to disguise, it means the ability to pretend something or to act different to what the person is. 3. Animals that hunt other animals, what do you call them? Enemies also, they have another meaning. And number 4, poison. C. Pick out the opposite of these terms from the text. I need the opposite, okay? The opposite of lazy and the opposite of danger. So you are going to solve parts A, B, and C. Okay, teacher, waiting your answers.